Find the correct common venting components in seconds using Centrotherm's Branch T lookup tool. Once you've downloaded the file, use the arrows on the right to open the drop-down menus. Select the appliance manufacturer and model, the quantity of appliances, the length of the run, and the room air or direct vent intake requirements. If something's wrong, like the manufacturer doesn't allow that many appliances vented in an inline orientation, or using room air is not allowed in that application, the lookup guide will show red, letting you know. Once all the fields are filled out correctly, they'll show green, and the common venting bill of materials will appear at the bottom. Remember, this is just the common venting selection of the installation. You need to consider the rest of the vent run, including the termination. If you have any questions, get in touch with your local reps.